Dear audience, do you want to go in a paradise? Do you want to go in a Jannah? So let's go. The Sa'd bin Sa'd, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Whoever gives me guarantee to safeguard what is between his horse and what is between his legs, I shall guarantee him Jannah." MashaAllah. Dear sister and brother, if you want to go in a paradise, then we have to use our tongue to worship Allah. We have to use our tongue to with good manners. After that, we will inshallah go in a paradise. Hazrat Abu Hurairah, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Whoever believe in Allah and last day should talk what is good or keep quiet." Dear audience, if you talk to any person with good manners, then no problem. You can talk to any person, but with good manners. We can't use our tongue to abuse people. We can't use our tongue to beat people. We can't use our tongue to humiliate people. We can't use our tongue to accuse people. So please, if you talk to any person with good manners, then no problem. You can talk to any person every time. But we should use our tongue to every time worship Allah. Worship Allah. Don't use your tongue to abuse people. Don't use your tongue to backbeat people. Don't use your tongue to humiliate people. Don't use your tongue to accuse people. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us an ability to protect our tongues. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.